Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Chevy Blazer with its key fob. First, make sure your Blazer is in park. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to remote start. Also, confirm that all doors, the hood, and the liftgate are completely closed. The remote start system is designed with these safety checks in mind, ensuring a secure and proper start every time you use this convenient feature. Now, let's move to the key fob itself. Locate the lock button on your key fob and press it once. You don't need to hold it down, just a quick press and release will do the trick. This action sends a signal to your Blazer, preparing it for the remote start sequence. You might hear a subtle click from the vehicle, confirming that it has received the signal and is ready for the next step. Immediately after pressing the lock button, press and hold the remote start button. This button typically has a circular arrow icon. You'll need to hold it down for at least 4 seconds. Keep holding until you see the parking lamps flash and the engine starts. Once the engine is running, it will operate for 10 minutes, providing ample time to warm up or cool down the interior before you get in. If you need more time, you can extend the engine's run time. Simply repeat the entire remote start process within the first 10 minutes. This will add another 10 minutes, giving you a total of 20 minutes of remote operation. To turn off the engine remotely, just press and hold the remote start button again for a few seconds. This will shut down the engine, saving fuel and ensuring safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.